Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful resin wall clock. So let's get started. So hi, if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Tamali and I do make videos related to art and craft. I do post a tutorial on resin artwork, sculpture painting, decoupage, mixed media, macrames and many more. So if you like this kind of content, you can watch my videos and please do subscribe my channel. And if you like this kind of tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notification whenever I post a new videos. So for the base, I'm going to take this 2-layer of MDF base and I'm going to cover it with my gesso. I have cut the base according to my design. You can do it according to yourself. Gesso will help you to make your base protected from any resin material because MDF have the tendency to soak your resin. Once all the layer is done with the gesso, I'm going to attach it all together with my regular Fevicol glue. Once it is done, I will keep it aside on the top of it. I will keep a heavy material for a day or so that it will stick properly with each other. So the base is ready. Now mix the resin material. So I have taken 2:1 resin from Oetra and here I am going to add some gold particles on it. For the first layer, I am going to add this. I will place it on the side of our resin. We will keep the doing design on a layering basis. That means we are going to do the first layer first. We are going to completely dry it on this part and then we will move to the center layer. Once that is dry, we are going to again come with the first layer. So that is how you can avoid the mixing of your resin color. Once the gold part is done, I'm going to move it on the next part. So here I have taken this beautiful shade of blue and with it I will add some teal shade of glitter. Just see how does I do that. Here two different color is already mixed together, and now let's see how I mix the two color. pour the two colors simultaneously on a different bowl and pour it on your resin plate. So here this shimmer particles would look so pretty on the blue color. See how beautiful it is. You can create so many different color shade with this technique, and I'm going to show you a very close clip so that you can understand the process better. Now in between this glitter particle, you can also place some raw blue color and some golden particles as well. My color is completely done. Now I'm adding little bit of more color, and I'm going to add the crystals on the side of my plate. So here the golden color, I'm going to enhance this with this medium. So this is medium 2 from Camel. You can add this medium with a powder pigment and the color payoff is amazing. Now moving to the next day. So this is day 3 basically. So here I have again mixed the resin with some white and some gold, and I'm going to do it on my upper layer. So let's see how does I do that. Make sure you have add very little amount of resin on the top layer so that it doesn't bleed with your center layer. Okay, so make sure you are very careful on this part. And after all the done, make sure you have blow dry it or you have applied the hot air to remove excess amount of air bubbles. And now on the final layer I have added the numbers and I have give it another good coat of resin. That will be a clear resin, and this is the final look. Don't forget to finish it like the way I have did it, and your beautiful resin wall clock is completely ready. If you have any doubt with this project, you can comment down below. I will definitely get back to you very soon. And let me know in the comment sections that how you like this design, because this is a very famous design of resin wall clock and I have finally made it for one of my clients. I love this idea, and let me know in the comment sections that how you like these ideas, and if you do it, please do subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.